2023 Genesis G80. With less than 4,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. It features an excellent mix of comfort and handling along with cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, panoramic roof. Get a fast and easy price quote today